See, these are not numbers where I would thumb the table and say, wow, these are not wow set of numbers, but they are marginally better than what the general street estimates were. Incrementally, if you look at all the businesses which they represent, the businesses are getting better, and especially the new age businesses, because that's where the delta for them actually would come in. Now, can these numbers really move the needle for the market per se? I doubt it very much. But Reliance is so under-owned and it has underperformed so massively that if I take the composition or the compulsive weightage component out, you've not seen what could be called as Reliance specific buying. Why Reliance has gone up is largely because of its weightage. But you've not seen anybody really saying that, oh, we are buying Reliance irrespective of the market view. Let's now you started hearing that we are buying HDFC Bank irrespective of the market view. That I think is not there. The sequential growth is not the best way to look at all the basic components. But for me, I think Reliance is now reaching what could be called as under-owned. Incremental good news. Will it make the stock underperform? The answer to that is no. So my whole sense here is that in Reliance, what will you guess? You will have to guess only three things. Will it underperform the market? Will it move in line with market? Will it outperform the market? That's the only three things you can guess in Reliance, right? I mean, that's how you look at a heavyweight. You look at underperformer, outperformer, or a market performer. I think Reliance has been a massive underperformer. That period of underperformance for Reliance, I think, is getting over. I think for Reliance, you will actually see it now gradually migrating from underperformer to market performer. Or maybe market outperformer. I think for market outperformer, they'll wait for another quarter. Something on geo listing. There's silence on lips right now, right? I mean, I was hoping that something would come. A finger on lips, sorry. Finger on lips in terms of nothing has come there. Nothing has come incrementally on what the new energy businesses are going to do, especially in hydrogen. So all that factors put together may not make it an outperformer. But I would stick my neck out and say that underperformer part for Reliance, I think that's getting over. And that's big. Why? Because if a heavyweight, which is a 10% plus weightage, if that starts moving in line with the market independently of what is happening, that itself I think is good news for Nifty.